I'm Jason Las Vegas. This is a Las Vegas walking tour. We're currently on Rainbow and Oakley in West Las Vegas. Let's see what this park looks like. Today is Tuesday, February 28th, 2023. And we are in West Las Vegas on Rainbow and Oakley. West Las Vegas. Actually my first time walking through this park, so I do not know the name of this park or how large this park is, but this is in West Las Vegas. I feel like the park name may be over here. Let's go and check this out real quick. We will also have to go and check out the men's restroom. See what it looks like in there. Oh, it's called Rainbow Family Park. How cool is that? As I said, we are on Rainbow and Oakley in West Las Vegas. And you can see the park name right here. This park is a lot larger than I thought it would be. Rainbow Family Park. How about the city of Las Vegas? Okay, let's go and check out the restroom. city of Las Vegas. Can't check out the restroom. It sounds like there's somebody in there. Yeah, there's definitely somebody in there, so it's probably not a good idea and go and check out the restroom. We could check out this sign. I thought it would have been empty right now, but unfortunately there's somebody in there right now, so we cannot check out the restroom. But yeah, this park is a lot huger than I thought it would be. This park is huge. Wow. You can see this is another entrance. This is for the women. I would go and check the women's out, but probably get in trouble. Yeah, but this is a huge park. I thought it was a lot smaller than. As you can see, there's a few fields in this park. There was a field right over here, right? There's like some kind of baseball field here. And then looks like there's another field over here, right? There's a field over here, and then there's another field over here. Like I said, I've never been in this park before. Rainbow Family Park, but it's definitely a lot bigger than I thought it would be, which is great. Definitely not too busy here on a Tuesday afternoon. I believe it's currently about like 4 p.m. on this February 28th, 2023. Looks like one of these fields. I don't know if they're open. Let me see. Nope. As you can see, there's chains on the. Oh, there's another field. There's actually a field behind the field. There's a huge, I mean, there's 4 fields right here. You can see there's a field right here. Looks like there's a field over there. There's a field over here and another field over here. So my goodness, this park is stacked. A lot of fields. It looks like there's some kind of restroom over here. Maybe we could try to see what this restroom looks like. Hopefully no one's inside this restroom. Let's check. Oh, this one looks locked. Oh, this restroom is locked. That's sad. See a few families out here with their dogs. A very dog-friendly park. It looks like it may be an on-leash park. I haven't seen any area specifically for dogs. As you can see the clouds in the back. There are chains on the gates, so I won't be able to walk on the fields. As you can see, there's chains on the gates. This is what the field looks like. You can see some base pads. And baseball season will be starting soon, so I'm assuming there's going to be a lot more activity with these pots soon. Nice little pedestrian bridge here. This is pretty cool. Yeah, not the busiest parks in Las Vegas, right? Not many people around. Actually, don't see anybody at the moment. But this is a park in western Las Vegas. Many people don't see this part of Las Vegas. Definitely I'm trying to show other parts of Las Vegas. Looks like a nice neighborhood. You can see the homes, the houses in this neighborhood. See, there's fresh toilet paper. Not the worst public restroom, right? Not the worst public restroom. But I'm Jason Las Vegas. This was a walking tour of a park in West Las Vegas called Rainbow Family Park. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the $1 donation button. And please tune in to the next video on this channel. Thanks a million for watching.